Be short in seconds, say what matters. India's central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is set to convene a meeting with select primary dealers and banks on Tuesday to evaluate the tightening liquidity situation in the banking system and its implications for the government bond market. The move follows the cancellation of a 110 billion rupees US $1.25 billion auction of 7-year government securities, which triggered a 7 basis point drop in the benchmark bond yield. Traders say the change reflects RBI's concern over current yield levels and that the central bank has previously taken steps such as altering the government securities supply calendar and persuading states to reduce borrowing. Liquidity in the banking system has oscillated between surplus and deficit in recent weeks, putting pressure on the debt market. One trader noted, "What we thought would be a continued bull run turned out to be short-lived." The upcoming meeting does not apparently have a formal agenda, but the focus is on addressing market conditions and ensuring smooth functioning of the G-Sec market. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra recently stated there was room for bond yields to go lower and that measures, including examining how government auctions are structured, are under consideration. Analysts say that while the intervention is proactive, the fundamentals remain challenging: elevated government borrowing needs, tight liquidity, and global rate pressures. The RBI's aim is to stabilize yields and avoid a sharp correction in bond markets that could spill over to broader financial stability. For banks and dealers, the message is clear: expect central bank oversight and possibly changes in the borrowing calendar and state government financing. Markets will monitor whether the RBI provides explicit signals or sticks to quiet guidance. In the coming weeks, the interplay between liquidity flows, international rates, and domestic borrowing will be critical for Indian financial markets. Think business, think biz short. Tap to subscribe.